Kia ora, ni hao, sin chao, what's up everybody? Welcome back for another video. This week I want to talk about a very popular subject which is getting talked about around the world by the masses currently. Very important because it affects people's lives. It's going to affect our futures and our future generations. So this subject is AI and how AI has been used in a monetary system where that monetary system is currently being upgraded in front of our eyes through digital IDs, central banking digital currencies, through social credit scoring systems I will label as Obsidian system. There is an Obsidian system that has been implemented, upgraded from the monetary system. At the same time, I also want to talk about a possible solution, a possible alternative. Now, the first thing, artificial intelligence. It's changing everything, jobs, governments, communication, even how we think. But what most people don't realize is that AI itself isn't the threat. It's the system that controls it. Right now, AI is being weaponized inside a decaying, obsolete monetary system that values profit over people and control over freedom. If we keep feeding this system, it's going to turn AI into a digital prison. But if we shift direction, AI could help us build something truly different, a world based on cooperation, abundance, collaboration, sustainability, and access abundance. Now, let's be honest. The monetary system is collapsing in its own weight right in front of our eyes. Debt, inequality, automation, and endless competition are tearing it apart right now. Millions are losing their jobs to machines, and instead of freeing people, automation is used to cut costs and increase profits for a very few at the top of that pyramid. Now, AI in the system doesn't serve humanity. It serves the bottom line. The bottom line is profit. It watches, predicts, and controls. That's what systems like Obsidian are. A mix of digital ID, social credit, and centralized data control. Everything you do, buy, or say can be tracked. It's been sold to you as safety and convenience, but it's really a digital cage built around your life. Now, imagine using the same technology for something completely different. It's like a hammer. I can give you a hammer, you can use that to dong it over somebody's head, or you can build a house for somebody. In a resource-based economy, or RBE, AI isn't used to exploit people. It's used to help everyone thrive. It manages resources, not humans. It calculates how to feed, house, and power entire cities sustainably. It helps reduce waste, balance ecosystems, and free people from meaningless jobs. Imagine never having to work just to survive, never having to worry about rent, debt, or money ever again. You'll have time to live, create, explore, and grow. That's what AI could do if it worked for humanity, not for profit. And I would suggest people to do their own due diligence on a resource-based economy, a world without money, a world where we have access, abundance, collaboration, working with others. So the real question is, which future are we choosing? The Obsidian system, which will promise you comfort, but it will take your freedom in return, or a resource-based economy, which will challenge you to think differently, but it will give you your humanity back. The transition won't come from governments or corporations, and that can be the hardest thing for people to do, is how do we make that transition? It starts with us. Grow your own food, build community gardens, share tools, trade knowledge, and support open source innovation. Every act of cooperation chips away at the old system and helps build a new one. AI doesn't need to be our downfall. It could be our greatest ally if we use it consciously and wisely. But that means we have to wake up now before the digital grid locks around us. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for leaders. Start changing how you live, right where you live, right now. When people unite around shared values instead of shared currency, the system loses its grip. The power has always been with us and will always be with us. We have just forgotten. I mean, you look at it now on social media. Those are our photos. Those are our videos. Those are our comments. Those are our messages. They're making money from our creativity. So you've got to ask yourself out there, do you want to live in a system that monitors and controls you? Obsidian. Or one that empowers and connects you? Resource-based economy. Because the tools to build a better world are already here. We have them through our innovation. Because the tools to build a better world are already here, and AI isn't our savior, but it can help us save ourselves. The only question is, which system will we feed? Now, if this message resonated with any of you guys out there, share it with someone who you think will benefit from this talk, who you think will create change in your community. Share it with that person. Talk about it and take real action. The more people who see the truth, the faster we can move from control to collaboration and cooperation. Humanity doesn't need another system of power. It needs a new way to live, and it starts now with us. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the description or a question, and I'll get back to you. Also, we will see you guys on the next video, and remember, have a great life, not just a great day. Peace.